This is a review of the Ryobi P117 battery chargers that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to test this product out and see whether or not this is worth it. But without going further, let's pretty much get down to the main stuff about this particular battery charger. So one of the first things I do want to say that I love how it's a small, compact size, super lightweight. You could carry this around with you everywhere, and it has the outlet right over here. So, this is very, if you own any Ryobi product and any accessories from Ryobi, then it needs a battery charger and you need to charge it down. This does state, and it has a 30-minute charger, so it's going to charge up in 30 minutes, and it gives you alerts as well too. Indicator, if it's green, that means it's ready to go. If it's yellow, it still needs a little bit of charging, but it's not where it's like fully not dead, so you could pretty much still use it. And then red means that it's fully the battery is dead and you need to keep on charging it, so that means that you shouldn't pull it out and just keep waiting. And then, as you say, see 30 minutes of charging. So yeah, that's one of the main key points about this particular battery charger. But one thing I do want to do is pretty much I'm gonna put this in the outlet and show you guys how you pretty much use this product. Okay, so I plugged it into the outlet, as you can see right over here. So it's plugged in, and red means that it's pretty much on and it's ready to be charged. So I get pretty much any of my Ryobi 18-volt lithium charged. The battery itself, it's a 48H that I'm just going to pretty much snap this thing on. It's relatively very simple and easy. So when you hear that click, that means it's pretty much on there and it's installed. And you can see there's a green indicator right over there. That means that it's getting fully charged up. And you can see here that right there, it tells you the indicator that it's ready to use. So that means that you could take this off and use any Ryobi accessory, and from there pretty much use it for your everyday activities. So this thing's relatively very easy, and it tells you the indications as well too. If it's green, that means it's fully charged. Yellow means it needs a little bit of charging, and then red means that you need to let it sit and give it about 30 minutes like it states on the product. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this Ryobi P117 if you're looking for something that charges very quick and fair and easy, and you own any Ryobi product that you need to pretty much charge it up. Then this Ryobi P117 is probably one of the main and important products to get, because you need to pretty much charge up your Ryobi accessories. Then yeah, this is something that's very essential to have for your everyday activities, especially if you own any Ryobi products. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a replacement set or just another Ryobi battery charger. Then this is probably one of the best ones that you could get.